Hi, I'm Matt with lightsandcameras.com. Last time we covered how different colors of light were measured, and that the scale that we measure the color of light is measured in degrees Kelvin. A quick review look at our chart from our last entry shows how indoor, incandescent, or video lights are mostly in that 3200 degrees Kelvin range, which is a little bit yellow, and sunlight is much more blue. Well, how does that apply to you when you're shooting video? Well, I could give you a really involved answer, but it really comes down to this. Your old friend, the video camera, for all of its advanced circuitry, is really pretty stupid. It has no idea what the color white should look like. If you're outside, a white object is being illuminated with light that is much more blue than if you're inside under these 3200 degree, more yellow lights. Yes, we can send pictures back from Mars, but your camera can't tell whether it's inside or outside. So you need to tell the camera where it is. Now, most cameras do have an auto white balance feature, but I've yet to see one that does a very good job, so white balance your camera. Many of the new consumer cameras even give you that option to manually white balance, even in the lower end cameras. And that really just involves showing the camera a true white object in the lighting conditions that you're shooting and telling the camera to white balance. So if you're outside under daylight, more blue, hold up a pure white object, it could be a white balance card or even maybe a pure white sheet of paper, and tell the camera to white balance. So the same thing holds true if you're back inside under video lights or incandescent lights, more 3200 degree yellowish lights. Hold that white piece of paper or white card up and tell the camera to white balance. And now you see we've got the right color for our indoor lighting. The thing you got to remember is you want to do this whenever you change locations, especially in a mixed light situation where you have some daylight and some indoor incandescent light. Now, many cameras have indoor and outdoor white balance settings that'll get you close in almost any situation, but just use that as a starting point. Many of the new fluorescents and the new compact fluorescents have color temperatures that are all over the board, so go ahead and white balance that camera. It just takes a few seconds to make sure that your camera knows exactly what the color white should look like. Because remember, life is way too short to watch every video.